Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering a small flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. Do not use pliers that can crush the housing. Remove the mechanical key by sliding the release tab and pulling the key out to expose the seam. This prevents damaging the plastic. Work on a clean, flat surface with the fob face down and keep metal coins and jewelry away to avoid shorting the new battery. Wear safety glasses if you have them. Keep the original battery for proper disposal and check that the replacement is a CR2032. Insert the small flathead screwdriver into the thin seam where the mechanical key was removed and twist gently to pry the two halves apart. Do not force or gouge the plastic. Observe the battery orientation before removal so you can match it. Most BRZ key fobs use a CR2032 button cell with the plus sign facing out. Use the screwdriver tip or your fingernail to lift the old battery straight out. Then seat the new CR2032 in the same position, pressing evenly until it is. Align the two plastic halves and press them together evenly until you hear or feel both clips snap into place. Do not force one side harder than the other. Reinsert the mechanical key until it clicks into its slot. Test the remote functions immediately by pressing lock, unlock, trunk, and panic from about 10 meters, 30 feet, to confirm range and function. If a button does not respond, reopen the fob to check battery seating and contact cleanliness. Recycle the used CR2032 at a battery drop-off site.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.